Okay, this is the gong show of my rear brakes here. This is the sae-speed kit from eBay, and I guess there's a reason why it's so cheap. I had some issues with the front. They shipped the wrong threaded banjo bolt. They shipped a metric, and it should be, well, there's a 7/16 on that caliper. That's a problem. So now what happened is the hole for the rotor that goes over the flange on the axle shaft hub here is too damn small. So that's a 3-inch hole, and this is about maybe 3.6, just over 3.5 from here to here. So do I mill this smaller? Is there something wrong with this shaft? This is the short axle. It's a 69 C10 panel truck. So do I kind of mill that down, or do I open this up, or do I just bitch to sae-speed? They didn't actually reply in regards to the front banjo bolt. So wondering if maybe something's up with this flange for the 69, if it is actually 3.6 inches, or if this is just a one-off. Something wrong with this truck. So yeah, 69 C10 panel. It's inline 6 with a 4-speed manual originally. So I don't know if I got a problem here, or if they shipped the wrong rotors. So yeah, I figure I'll ask it here, because somebody's gonna know what's wrong with this setup. Alright, yeah, thanks. If you could let me know, or just reply, or that'd be awesome, because I'm thinking it's easier for me to not mill this down. It's easier for me to just hog this out. Actually, the easiest thing to do is just to complain if they're gonna respond, maybe. And the other thing I did when I put in the 1/2-inch studs, I went with a .619 stud, and I just got to open these up a little bit. I actually went large with the intention of maybe holding the rotor better, but little did I know that this mess up was going to happen. Alright, so yeah, let me know please before I get to cutting. I'm probably just going to bore this out and then drill these suckers too, but man, if they sent me the wrong rotors, that's a good solution too, getting different rotors. Alright, any help is appreciated. Thanks a lot.